What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. If you have a pair of glasses like this without nose pads, you might want to try these. These are a pair of plastic glasses. They're pretty common. Sometimes the reading glasses or whatnot might be like this, but you can see they don't have kind of those traditional silicone or rubber nose pads. What they do is they just have kind of a space for them. And what ends up happening is because of the shininess of the material, they're kind of slippery here. So if I do that, they'll slide off. And so some people like having nose pads. Now, I picked this up because this was actually the cheapest set of them I could find on Amazon. And what you can see here is I have a bunch of them, 18 pairs in fact. And what I want to show you, I want to just pick a reflective pair here. So you want, I guess they are symmetrical. So there's not really a left and right. You just need two of them. But they do have a little bit of a silicone feel. I guess they're probably about 1 millimeter thick, and they kind of stick to each other just like that. They're not sticky like, you know, gum sticky, but they're really, really grippy. So I actually think that these are going to work pretty well. They kind of remind me of those mats that you put on your dashboard to hold your cell phone. And they do have a little adhesive on the back, and so you peel these off. Now, before you install them, you're going to want like a cleaning wipe. This is just an electronics cleaning wipe, Care Touch, and you can use them on lenses and screens and all sorts of things, so they're pretty nice. So I'm just going to take these glasses here, and you can clean the lenses too, but most importantly, you just want to make sure if you have any oils or grease on the place where you're going to attach these, that you get that off. Oh, I'm going to see if we can put this on. So I'm going to take this off here, expose the adhesive. You can see the round portion there. So I'm just going to go ahead and try to apply this. Doesn't seem like they aren't removable. So if you don't like it, you can remove them. And because you get 18 pairs of these things, you got a ton of them. So that's what they look like right there. Kind of goes on just like that. Woo! It's pretty grippy. I'll take another one here and put it on the other side. Trying not to touch the adhesive, just so that I don't make it lose any of the stickiness, get any grease or oil on it. But they're gone just like that. And man, yeah, they are not coming off. So pretty awesome, quick, easy way to add nose pads. Not only are they grippier, but I have a feeling they might be a bit more comfortable as well. So especially if you have glasses like these, you can pick them up. I will put a link to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.